Hi guys, today I will show you the sandals by Hush Puppies. So the model is Spartan and the color is brown. So I'm using a UK size 8. Let's see how it looks. Okay, looks really cool. I'll take the other one as well. Yep, just remove this one. Comes with some protection paper. This one too. Some paper. It's a bit tight. So you can see the sole. Insole is quite soft. And this one is like a Velcro. Yep. You can see here it's written Hush Puppies. Then at the bottom there's like something to protect the heel, like a heel support. So it is a memory foam. So memory foam, breathable, footbed, cellular, what that technology, memory foam. Okay, I'll just try this on and see how it feels. Okay, it's quite comfortable and perfect fit for me. I can go a little bit smaller, but I think this one is better. It's really nice. Okay, so that's it. So again, this is a Hush Puppies Spartan Brown. Thank you for watching.